It starts with an emergency. You need to respond quickly. A life may depend on it. But what if you have no medical training or you've forgotten what you once learned? You need a Zoll MOBILIZE Trauma Kit, the tools you need with simple, just-in-time instructions. MOBILIZE helps you manage a wide range of potentially life-threatening emergencies, from severe bleeding to allergic reactions, airway obstructions, and much, much more. The comprehensive kit's built-in tablet guides you step by step, starting with taking a deep breath. You can also access the MOBILIZE Rescue app on your mobile device. Severe bleeding? You've got this. Using a series of simple interactive prompts, the MOBILIZE app guides you through locating the tourniquet in the kit and applying it. Similarly, MOBILIZE provides reassuring guidance for a multitude of other emergency situations, including seizure, bee sting, choking, hypothermia, and more. When EMS arrives, simply tap the EMS has arrived button for a treatment summary to share with responders. MOBILIZE provides everything you need to respond with confidence, including alternative treatments if supplies are depleted. With the advice of public safety and trauma medics, we are constantly working to optimize bystander response. This means empowering them with an easy-to-use app that instills confidence. Features include an age chooser and kit chooser to provide more targeted instruction. We've included an easy way to share treatment summaries from your mobile device, as well as navigation features for easier access to treatment summaries, user profiles, and more. Zoll MOBILIZE Trauma Kits for optimized bystander response.